I think it's because I had to hit link and now all the pictures are linked. Like it was like.
So I think whatever Melanie did linked my band.
Unclogged.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Before we enter our elevator, remember seatbelts are going to go left to right only. No bags are strapped below that seatbelt. Buckle right against your body for me. Large bags on the floor. We're going to go row by row, starting in the back. So row 6, you're going to be my first one in. To the very top left side.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you.
And then row 3 will be my middle right side on the stairs. Right, row 2, come on in, front left side. There you go.
You are the passengers of the most coming out to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you.
It's just like cookie drop. It's just like cookie drop. Yeah, it's all fake. 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 See a big drop.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
You